Understanding Maintenance Strategies. Welcome back. Today, we are diving into the core of maintenance management. We'll explore various strategies, from the most basic to the highly advanced, each with its own benefits and drawbacks. Reactive maintenance, the firefighter approach. First up is reactive maintenance, often called run to failure. This strategy means you only act when a machine breaks down completely. It's like waiting for a fire before calling the fire department. The hidden costs of reactive maintenance. While seemingly simple, reactive maintenance is often the most expensive. It leads to unplanned downtime, rushed repairs, and higher costs for parts and labor. This approach rarely saves money in the long run. Let's break this down. Imagine a car factory where the conveyor belt suddenly stops. Workers stand idle, cars remain unfinished, and deliveries to customers are delayed. This isn't just a machine problem, it's a business problem.
It's like knocking over the first domino. One small failure sets off a chain reaction, lost production, repair costs, overtime pay, and sometimes even safety incidents.
In real life, these failures have made headlines. An oil refinery pump breakdown once caused millions in lost output. A single faulty cooling unit in a data center can take entire websites offline. And when airport baggage systems fail, flights get delayed, and thousands of travelers are affected.
Here's the scary part. The cost of downtime is massive. In manufacturing, studies show it can reach up to $260,000 per hour. That's the price of not managing maintenance effectively.
So where does maintenance fit in? Think of maintenance as the unsung hero. It prevents those dominoes from falling in the first place. By keeping equipment healthy, maintenance protects productivity, safety, and even customer trust.
So, what happens when machines fail? The short answer, everyone pays the price. That's why understanding maintenance management is so critical.
In our next session, we'll explore the different types of maintenance strategies, from simply fixing things when they break, to using data and sensors to predict failures before they happen. See you there.